Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the feature of the notes that we are giving in TaxTMI. So I'll go to a document. Suppose it's the first document of the case laws, and I find it relevant and I want to create a note or some line which is very specific to my case or to my research area. So what will I simply do is click on this note feature that we are giving. Here are four total features that we are giving for this particular document. One of them is take a note, and when I click on the note, it shows me this note area. So I can directly take a note. Suppose I find this line very significant. I copy and I paste and I write this is relevant to my study. And as this working area is less, I can maximize this. It will maximize. Again, it will minimize this by clicking on the same button again. And title. So I can just simply save and the note is created successfully. I can minimize it so it does not hinder while we are reading the whole document. I can expand it. It is to further expand, and this helps in minimizing the note area. So as it is already saved, so it will reflect in this My Note section which comes when we go on the profile. When I take my cursor on the profile, it shows me these three options: bookmarks, notes, and public profile. When I go on the notes, it will show me this one note that I have taken, and this is the document link on which I have taken the note, so that it helps me in going back to the case or the document from where I have taken this particular note. So when I click on this document link, it takes me to that document, and it is also showing me that I have created a note for this document. So in this, if I go on next, this option is hidden because there is no note created for this document. And if I again go to the first case law, it will show me this option that a note is created, and if I click on expand, it will show me the note which has been taken. Here we are giving two more options. I can create a specific folder in which I want to add this note to. So if I create a folder named important, a folder is created. I may click on this folder and it shows me important folder. And if I click on save, it is saved in the important folder. So now if I refresh this or I again go to my notes, it shows me another folder that has been created named important, and it shows the folder name here. This is my folder name. From here also directly I can edit and create my folders. Again, I'll create folder name relevant here, created. I can edit the folder name from here, relevant to tick, and the folder name is updated successfully. If I again edit it and I want to delete it, I can simply delete the folder here. Deleting this would not delete the notes here, and it will show in the all notes. So if I delete the folder here, the folder is deleted, and if I click back, there is no folder named as relevant to. So let us take some more notes, and also I can directly also edit my note here. So I can simply click on the note, and this was the note which we had taken or the description we had given. And if I simply copy paste it, this will get saved, and I can review it again. Cancel, save is to simply save, cross is to again cancel. This is to choose folder that I can move it to another folder. And if I delete from here, clicking delete, it will go into the trash and it will stay there for 15 days. After that, it will be deleted automatically. So once it is deleted, there is no note showing up in the all notes. And when I click on the trash, it shows me these two notes which I might have created earlier. From here, I can click on this, and this note will be deleted forever, and I cannot restore it. And for this note, if I want to restore it, I may simply click on restore, and it is restored again in the note important folder and the all notes folder. So here also I may directly take a note, and it will show me title and take a note. And if I find If I want to just take note of this citation, I may copy and paste it. Simply saving it will create a note here. And I refresh the page. This is simply showing me all the notes that I have created. This is done on the document, so it is showing the document link. This is created directly in the notes, hence there is no document link to it. But I may also add it to any folder. Future use, create. Selecting it to future use will save in the future use folder here. And if I move it to important folder, it will save in the important folder. Save. It has removed from the future use and it has moved to the important folder. So this is how you may use the notes feature, which is very useful while we are studying a case law or we are going through long documents and we want to refer it in future. So either we may create a bookmark if we just want to save the link, or if we want to save some another text or our reviews upon that document, then we may create a note. And whenever we go to this particular document or we come across this document again, it will show it like this expand note. So I can simply refer to the note that I have taken for the document. And from here also, I may delete this note. If I take a note, suppose here, I have saved it. When I refresh the page, it shows me the option of expand note. And if I delete from here, the note is being deleted. I refresh the page again, no note is shown. And in trash, this note which I had created here and which I had deleted will should be shown in the trash. This was the document for which I had created this note. And if I restore it again and I reload this page, the note will be again shown here. More thing that I forgot to mention is, suppose if I go to this document on which the note was created and I expand it, then I may move it also so that it does not hinder my reading experience at all. And instead of maximizing it to the maximum, I can simply choose the relevant resize size that is relevant to my needs or the requirements at that time, and simply either minimize it to this level, maximize it, and this is the default feature of maximize, so that it gives you a proper space of reading the note and taking it spaciously.